Markets Exchange is designed to change all of that. On EMX, derivatives on commodities, cryptocurrencies, and other assets can be traded fairly and securely, all using the EMX token. And because all transactions are recorded using smart contracts rather than by a centralized clearinghouse, all settlements, withdrawals, deposits, and reporting happen almost instantly. Additionally, its unique market structure employs periodic options rather than continuous trading. This levels the playing field and eliminates any advantages that high-frequency traders may otherwise gain. EMX leverages next-generation technology to open access to global markets, all from the comfort of a single platform. Best of all, it's designed with both liquidity and the highest levels of investor protections in mind. Secure, fair, and powerful. EMX, the future of derivatives trading.
네, 지금 EMX 비디오 보셨고요. 두 번째 발표는 저희 EMX 저희 창업자이자 CEO인 진페이께서 하시겠습니다.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thanks, MKPR, for hosting this event. My name is Jim. My name is Jim Bai. I'm the CEO and co-founder of EMX, the future of derivatives trading. We are a hash portfolio company, and like to thank Simon and the whole entire Hash team for supporting us throughout this process. Before I get started, I'd like to talk to you about futures and why they're beneficial. I spent my entire professional career trading at Citigroup and hedge funds in New York. And I spent about 10 years there, and I understand the benefits of hedging and portfolio diversification, and futures provide that. In essence, a future is just an agreement between two counterparties. The agreement is to buy or sell an underlying asset for a specific price in the future. You don't actually need to own the underlying to have exposure to the asset. So you and I can create a contract on a barrel of oil, for example, without owning any oil, and get the same exposure without, like I mentioned, without owning any of the underlying. So this is an advanced strategy that people leverage throughout the world to trade various assets. People to trade because there's benefits in bear markets, for example. There's profit to be made. If you're short a contract, you can profit when prices go down. People use this to diversify your portfolio. You can trade your entire portfolio can be spread across multiple positions in many different assets. It's a liquid market, so currently in the world there's about 15 billion futures contracts that are traded worldwide every year. And you can hedge yourself, you can hedge your portfolio, you can hedge your positions. You don't have to just trade to speculate. So their current exchange ecosystem, especially in the crypto market, people are familiar with the spot exchanges like Binance and Huobi. There are the crypto futures exchanges like BitMEX and OKEX. There are some new derivatives protocols like DOIDX and Market Protocol that will allow for decentralized futures on crypto. And then there are the big traditional futures exchanges like CME and ICE that trade the billions of contracts every year. What EMX is a combination of the crypto futures exchanges and the traditional futures exchanges. There are a number of shortcomings in the current ecosystem. So crypto exchanges like BitMEX or OKEX only allow you to trade futures on crypto. They don't allow you to trade futures on other assets using crypto like the Kospi or gold. You can only have limited strategies. For example, you can only go long on some of these crypto exchanges. You can either go long or flat or less long. You can't really go short. The current exchange ecosystem is fragmented, So that means you're spreading your collateral, your capital across multiple exchanges to get exposure to various assets. And they're very unsophisticated. Some of these exchanges are very new, and the infrastructure isn't there to support the institutional level trading that is demanded of sophisticated traders. So I'd like to introduce you what EMX is. So just imagine using your crypto portfolio to get access to entire global assets like gold, euro, or the S&P 500, or in Korea, the Kospi. EMX is a exchange that will allow you to trade global futures contracts, all without the need to convert to fiat. So you're going to be able to use your crypto portfolio to gain exposure to non-crypto assets. And we're going to bridge the cryptocurrency world with the traditional financial markets. So we'll, like I mentioned, we're going to have contracts on equities, on commodities, bonds, as well as cryptocurrencies. So you can trade in your entire global portfolio all in one trading app. And this is what the trading app is going to look like. This is our beta that will be released in the next couple months. On the left, it's hard to see, but you can trade contracts on listed contracts on Bitcoin and ETH. There's also contracts on S&P and oil. There's also single name stock futures like Apple or Tesla. So if you wanted to trade these contracts with crypto, that can all be available on our app. So the solution we propose is being able to trade all markets, both crypto and traditional futures like commodities and currencies, and build a diversified portfolio without having to convert to fiat. So you're going to be able to trade multiple assets, go long and go short, and benefit from the efficient trading. So you can post margin on one exchange and get the benefits of cross margining. So that's one of the benefits of having everything on one exchange. You can go long and short correlated assets without posting the full margin on both sides. So if you want to go long Bitcoin futures, for example, and short ETH, you can do so without posting full margin on the Bitcoin futures side and the ETH side. There are more opportunities to trade on EMX. So you can deploy advanced risk management strategies. You can hedge on EMX. You can go short crypto if you'd like. You can go long equities if you like. If you have a different view on certain assets, you can do so all on one platform. And we're going to make this an institutional grade exchange. So that means we're going to allow, our infrastructure can be robust and diverse. We all come from the traditional finance space, so I understand what it takes to build an institutional grade exchange and what the requirements are. There have been issues that I've heard with BitMEX, for example, that shuts down when the system is overloaded. That really can't happen. That shouldn't happen, and so that's why we're building EMX. I also like to mention the strong KYC and anti-manipulation measures that we have on EMX. So we're going to have full KYC on our customers. We're going to monitor their trading styles, and we're going to prevent market manipulation on our exchange. So we want to be a fully regulated exchange. We are talking to the CFTC in Washington, and we want to apply for our full CFTC license so that we can offer this to institutions and retail with the highest level of regulation in place, and we want to conform to the full CFTC exchange requirements. So there are going to be a few enhancements to the market design at EMX, and I think that these will improve the trading experience for various traders. One such improvement are periodic auctions. Periodic auctions will allow people to trade, no matter whether they're a small retail trader or a large institution, they'll be able to trade on one level playing field. So just to expand on this, for example, we'll have auctions that happen every 30 seconds. People can post their bids and offers in real time, but the crossing happens periodically. And then this crossing price is a price that everyone pays. So people don't have to compete. So it's no longer the case that the fastest trader will get the best prices. So a small retail trader or a large institution will be able to post the same price, post their bids and offers, and get the same price at each auction. So I think this eliminates the high frequency trading advantage that currently exists in the market. It makes trading more fair, and it is a more, I would say,